cleaning the screw nut and the clevis attached to your blade holder. Folks, this is critical. Whether you have a typical traditional hand crank, or in some cases, a lot of customers out there are using the level ice system, it is critical that you're cleaning this at least once a week, whether you're dumping inside or outside, especially outside, folks. All the grit and dirt that gets bound up inside the thread count between the actual screw nut and the clevis, it's going to affect your ability to be able to raise and lower the blade traditionally using a hand crank or with level ice. When you are changing a blade, taking the blade off, putting it away in the scabbard, that's when you're doing all the maintenance on your screw nuts, both your height adjustments left and right, but the main screw nut that's going in to your universal joint attached to your hand crank, going counterclockwise, exposing the bottom of the screw nut, getting underneath the actual conditioner and wiping all that old grease off. Then going clockwise, exposing the top of the screw nut, doing the exact same thing. Then use a latex glove, use your typical grease that you're using for your greasing system. Just spread some, apply new grease to the screw nuts, to the threads, and then with your hand crank going down and up, counterclockwise, clockwise, just getting that so that when you're adjusting your blade, your hand crank, it's not blowing your shoulder out. Critical. More so if you have level ice, folks. Some of you know that I've spoken to you about this in the past. That has a limiter on the motor. It's going to show up as a grease can on your main screen. That grease can's coming up because it's not getting cleaned or it's not getting greased. When you're changing the blade with level ice, do the exact same thing. I recommend doing this once a week. There's a tip for you. Always delivering the best quality ice to your customers. Visit our website, Zamboni.com. There are many videos for you folks to pay attention to. Continue providing the quality ice that you're looking to give your customers and also providing the best maintenance on your machine. Pay attention to those videos. It's right at your fingertips. Don't hesitate. Take it to the next step, folks. Have a great day.